properties of irrational numbers. See, properties of irrational number. Like if I'm saying A and B are two irrational number, then first A plus B, second A minus B, third A into B, fourth A by B, right? Or you can extend as A to the power B, right? What we can say for these things, right? Try this one, then I'm coming again. First, second, third, fourth, and C. Very good. Now, see, if A is irrational and B is irrational, so what we can say about A plus B? It may or may not be rational or irrational, right? Same with A minus B, same with A into B, same with A by B, same with, right, this A to the power B. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah.
Rumi, check, check. Okay. So this is the condition, but for A to the power B, right? A to the power B, both are irrational. So in this case, you are saying root 2 to the power root 3 or any other number. If irrational power we are giving to the number, so it must be irrational, right? So number possibly rational or irrational, it depends on the properties of this or the number itself. Means if I am saying one number 2 plus root 3, right? Other number is 3 plus root 5. If we'll add or subtract or multiply, still the number will be in irrational. But first case. Second case, 1, 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Like if both the numbers are there, one is conjugate to other. These are called conjugate numbers to each other. One is 2 plus root 3, other will be 2 minus root 3. Means if one number is A plus root B, other will be A minus root B, then these are called conjugate. Very important number. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने पर this will help you, right? One number is rational, other is irrational, and दोनों के बीच में मैंने प्लस या माइनस साइन लगाई. एक में अगर प्लस है, दूसरा माइनस के साथ आई एम टेकिंग, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉन्जुगेट टू ईच अदर, राइट? ये कॉन्जुगेट नंबर लेने से सॉल्यूशन विल बी वेरी सिंपल, क्योंकि मैं अगर प्लस कर रहा हूं, ये दोनों रूट 3 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, आंसर इज 4. मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. We know that a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is 4 minus 3 will be 1 only, right? So it depends on the number कि number is rational or irrational, right? और उस number पर plus minus multiplication and division पर number की property के साथ में it has to come कि ultimately the answer will be the rational one or irrational one. Let's suppose if I'm writing x is equal to 3 minus root 8. Find value of x plus 1 by x and x square plus 1 by x square. Want to try this? Everyone, try this. Maximum 3-minute time for you. Start. Very good, very good. Very good. Very good. See, x is given. कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है बेटा, मैं अभी दिखाता हूँ. X is given 3 minus root 8, right? इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में what you have to do, जो मैंने अभी conjugate की बात करी ना, this conjugate is very important in these cases, right? Conjugate very important in these cases, as I can say कि we have to add x with 1 by x. So why not to find 1 by x first, right? So 1 by x is 1 upon 3 minus root 8, right? And we know that the conjugate of this is 3 plus root 8. So multiply and divide with 3 plus root 8. So 1 by x is equal to 3 plus root 8 upon this a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. To 9 minus 8 will be 1. To 3 plus root 8 by 1. So x is 3 minus root 8 and there 1 by x is 3 plus root 8. If I'll add x with 1 by x, I'm getting 6. The first answer. And when I have to find the answer of the second one, x square plus 1 by x square. So what we can do is square both sides. When we are squaring both sides, I'm getting this a plus b the whole square. Very good. Square plus 2ab is equal to 36. So this x square plus 1 by x square, this will be 2. This is 36 minus 2 will be 34. Is it okay? In very easy way, you can find the numbers. Basic formulas, note down first. तब मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ. क्या basic formulas और करने में, like what we have to learn. We need to apply the formulas are a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, right? A plus b plus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, or a plus b minus c. Any one is taking the sign as minus. So this will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. A and b both are positive, so it's coming as 2ab. A positive, c negative to minus 2ac. B positive, c negative to minus 2bc. Right? If 2 negative, accordingly you can write the formula for 2 negative or 3 negative and so on, like anything you can use, right? And if I'm writing a plus b the whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, right? 3ab a plus b, right? First note down all these formulas, फिर मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ, right? One more, a minus b the whole cube, a cube minus b cube plus 3 minus 3 ab a plus b with minus sign, right? Or the factorized formula you can use as a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Second, a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, right? And the most Like for competitive examination, you can use this formula also. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C, right? Note down, please. And accordingly, you can go for the formulas like if I'm saying ki x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, this will be x square plus 1 by x square ka whole square minus 2. Any number you can expand in that way. Done, everyone?
No, sir, wait now.
Last page पे एक बार कर दूं? Go to last page first. Done. Next page. Done. Now, see, if I'm writing x is equals to 2 minus root 3, find value of first x plus 1 by x, second x square plus 1 by x square, third x cube plus 1 by x cube, fourth x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. All 4 values. Let's start. Question is given x is 5 minus 2 root 6 and we have to find values accordingly, right? X plus 1 by x, x square plus 1 by x. So first I have to find value of 1 by x. So, right, the reciprocal of this value, right, this 1 by x is equals to 1 upon 5 minus 2 root 6, right? So use the conjugate again. 5 minus 2 root 6. The conjugate of this will be, for rationalization, we can use 5 plus 2 root 6. So this is coming as 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 5 square. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. This is coming as 25 minus 4 into 6 will be 24. So this is 5 plus 2 root 6. So 1 by x. And x was 5 minus 2 root 6. Now add both this, x plus 1 by x. This is directly coming as 10, right? Squaring both sides, the first one, right? Squaring both sides, you are getting 100 minus 2 will be 98. Third, we know that for this formula is x plus 1 by x is common out. This is x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. X plus 1 by x is 10. X square plus 1 by x square is 98 minus 1. Right? 98 minus 1, 97. So 970. Right? Again, for x to the power 4 plus 1 by x square, x to the power 4 square of this. So 98 square and minus 2 will be answer of this. And x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4, the fourth one, first factorize this. X square minus 1 by x square and x square plus 1 by x square. Or we can again factorize this as x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x, and x square plus 1 by x square. So x plus 1 by x was 10. See, from this you can subtract this. So x minus 1 by x is 2 to 4 root 6. And x square plus 1 by x square is 98. So 98 into 4 root 6. 400 minus 8, 392 root 6 is the answer for last one. Is it okay to all? Please check. Please check. Especially the last one. The question given is A is 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. B is 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. And we have to find value of this A square plus B square. Let's see. A we can write as multiplying with the conjugate. So 2 plus root 3, the whole square upon 4 minus 3, that's 1. And B is 2 minus root 3, the whole square upon 1, right? The multiplying with the conjugate in both the way. So A is coming as 5 plus 4 root 3. Right? In fact, this is 7, right? And B is coming as 7 minus 4 root 3. Right? And with the formula, we can just go with the formula and we can say when we have to find A square plus B square, what we can do, A plus B the whole square minus 2AB. I'll use both the formula, right? So this A and B, right? So A plus B is coming as 14 square minus 2AB. See, from the initial one, from the question itself, I know that A into B is 1. So this value is 1. 196 minus 2 is 194. First question, right? It is given x is equals to 5 plus 2 root 6. If you observe carefully, then you can see this x as 5 we can write as root 3 ka whole square plus root 2 ka whole square, and root 6 we can write as root 3 into root 2, right? intelligently you can think this number 5 plus 2 root 6 you can write as root 3 plus root through the whole square. This is x. So under root x is nothing but root 3 plus root 2, right? Similarly, I can say the conjugate of this will be 1 by root x is equal to 1 by root 3 minus root 3 plus root 2, or 1 by root x is equal to, after multiplying with the conjugate, root 3 minus root 2. Right? And in this question, in both the way, I can say root 2 will be common out from this. This is root x minus 1 by root x. Root x was root 3 plus root 2, and 1 by root x was root 3 minus root 2. When we'll subtract both this, I'll get 1 by root 2 was common out. This is 2 root 2, root 2, root 2 cancel out. So you are getting answer as 2. It's okay to everyone. It's a very good question. Intelligently, you have to pick the things कि what would be the number. कहाँ से निकालने हैं numbers को. Note down. See, first 8 and this number is root 60. Right? Root 60 is 15 into 4 under root, or you can write 2 into under root 15, or you can write 2 into under root 5 into under root 3. So two numbers 5 and 3 are, we can see these two numbers are 5 and 3, and sum of 5 and 3 is 8. So this x I can rewrite as root 5 ka square plus root 3 ka square minus 2 root 5 into root 3. From this, I'm getting x is equal to root 5 minus root 3 the whole square. So under root x, I'm getting root 5 minus root 3. Similarly, 1 by x is 1 by root 5 minus root 3. Or from this, I can say, when multiplying with the conjugate, that's root 5 plus root 3, we are getting root 5 plus root 3 upon 2, right? Under root of. So what we have to
So
find.
answer मिल गया मेरे को.
Very good, beta. 2 I'm transferring there to 2 by root.
बोलूं मैं सर अभी आंसर.
एक मिनट ना.
Half into root
root
5
x
into.
एक
Sorry.
मिनट बेटा ना. 2 by root x is equal to root 5 plus root 3, right? This is coming as a second part, and first you are getting root x is equal to this value, right? Very good. What is your answer, beta? Now you can tell.
So मेरा आंसर है half into root 5 plus root 3 plus 1.
थोड़ा सा और एक बार चेक कर लो. ऑलमोस्ट यू आर इनटू द गेट, राइट? थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे लो क्वेश्चन पे. ये दोनों फिगर्स आ गए हैं. यू हैव टू ऐड दिस नंबर एंड दिस नंबर.
सर फिर से समझा सकते हो क्या कैसे आया?
एकदम बेटा फिर से ये वाले स्टेप क्लियर है एकदम.
हाँ सर, वो x इक्वल्स टू रूट 5 माइनस रूट 3 समझा, फिर उसका अगला स्टेप भी समझा. 1 अपॉन रूट x नहीं समझा.
इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो फिर.
हाँ सर, वो नहीं समझा.
एक एक करके बेटा ना. सी रूट x मैंने यहाँ पर निकाल लिया. दिस इज रूट x, राइट? ये आई गेस सबको क्लियर है. मैंने इसे ही लिख डाला 1 बाई रूट x, तो ये पूरा नीचे चला गया. ये जो 1 अपॉन में रेसिप्रोकल में आई एम राइटिंग दिस. इसके बाद इसको कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई किया. इसका जो कॉन्जुगेट होता है, वी नो द कॉन्जुगेट विल बी रूट 5
प्लस रूट 3.
नीचे भी मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा रूट 5 प्लस रूट 3, राइट? a square minus b square, तो 5 minus 3 will be 2. Look, there is and ये root 5 plus root 3 is coming there, right? 1 by root x. अब इस 2 को मैं यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर दिया, तो this 2 by x is equal to 5 plus root 3. Now मेरे को दो जो नंबर चाहिए थे, क्योंकि ये दोनों का सम है 2 plus this and दूसरा नंबर root x, ये दोनों का सम है. ग्रीन से लिखता हूँ, ये और ये दोनों का सम है, राइट? यही मेरे को निकालना है. अगर दोनों का सम होगा तो root 3 will be cancelled out. root 5 is 2 root 5. So this is coming as 1 by 2 into 2 root 5. 2 cancel out. Root 5 is the answer. Is it okay? Is it
सर
okay?
सर √5 माइनस √3 स्क्वायर कैसा है सर?
ये वाला स्टेप बेटा, ये वाले स्टेप,
हाँ सर.
ये देखो, ये इसके लिए ना तुम्हें यहाँ ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा। यहाँ ये मैंने ये दोनों नंबर को ऑब्जर्व किया कि √60 आई कैन राइट 2 into √15 and 8 I can write √5 का स्क्वायर प्लस √3 का स्क्वायर. Is it okay?
Sir.
Right. So this is √5 का स्क्वायर प्लस √3 का स्क्वायर minus 2 √5 into √3. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is the formula for a square plus b square minus 2ab?
A square minus b square, sir.
Right. A square plus b square minus 2ab. What
A
is the
minus b. A minus b the whole square.
Very good. So a minus b the whole square we are writing here.
समझा sir.
Very good. Third question. Now you all are going for the third one, right? Third one सबसे easy question है, ये सबका होना चाहिए, right? Your time start now. इसे मैं रब कर देता हूँ ना. ये दो था, right?
हो गया sir.
Very good बेटा. Very good. आओ देखते हैं, right? X is equal to 3 minus √8. So first thing 1 by root x. Yes, very good beta. Is 1 by 3 minus √8 multiply with the conjugate, that's 3 plus √8 upon 3 plus √8. We are getting 3 plus √8 upon 9 minus 8, that's 1, so 3 plus √8. So 1 by x is coming as 3 plus √8 and x was given as 3 minus √8, right? Add both x and 1 by x, we are getting x plus 1 by x is equals to nothing but 6, right? So squaring both sides, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 36 minus 2. Why I am doing minus 2? क्योंकि x plus 1 by x square में एक जो इस तरफ 2 आया होगा उसे मैंने ट्रांसफर कर दिया. जैसे मैंने ट्रांसफर कर दिया तो we are getting जो भी नंबर मेरे आने थे 36 minus 2. So this will be 34. Is it okay to everyone? Right? And similarly, for the second part, when we have to find x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, so again square this thing, right? Squaring both sides. So x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 into x square plus 1 by x square cancel out. And this 34 square is 1156. So x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 1154.
मैं भी कसरत करके आऊंगा.
अरे कसरत नहीं बेटा, अभी पढ़ाई करना है. अभी कसरत करने जा रहा है. देख कौन जा रहा है कसरत करने?
सर आंसर 34 है क्या?
फर्स्ट का आंसर बेटा 34 है एंड सेकंड का आंसर 1154.
बराबर है. पहला दूसरा वाला किया नहीं अब तक.
चलो जल्दी से ट्राई करके देख लो. मैंने किया भी हुआ है, उसके बाद देखना. हाँ, और कौन कसरत करने जा रहा है वो बताओ. कोई नहीं. इट्स ओके ओके ओके. करेक्ट. डन. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड.
दूसरा भी हो गया सर.
Very good beta, very good. So these are the question on like rationalization, irrationalization. ये सब बहुत अधिक यूज होने हैं. Like when you go for calculation and all, every aspect you have to use these things, right? So how to rationalize and how to go with the answers, right? The next, right? This is called double rationalization, right? एक छोटा सा concept बताता हूँ. Right? कम टाइम है बट फिर भी एक छोटा सा कंसेप्ट प्लीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड डबल रैशनलाइजेशन. Rationalization, right? How to go for this? What is the question on this? See, if it is given 1 upon 1 plus root 2 plus root 3, already we have seen like when we have to write it down as 1 by 2 plus root 3, only the conjugate you have to take and multiply the number, right? So in one way you'll get directly, you'll get the answer for that, right? But in these questions, when you have to multiply, you have to select a group. We are grouping this 1 plus root 2 and this root 3. So if I'll take 1 plus root 2 minus root 3, and here again in the numerator as well as in the denominator part. So in the numerator, we can see this is 1 plus root 2 minus root 3. Okay, you can do any combination. We can start with any combination. In this, we are starting with a combination of this 1 and root 2 and root 3. The reason behind this is because I know that after squaring 1, it will be 1. After squaring 2, root 2, it will be 2. And after squaring root 3, it will be 3. So it will be easier for me to solve. How? Look. So this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. So directly we are coming for the formula A square minus B square. So A square is nothing but 1 plus root 2 the whole square minus B square is root 3 whole square, that's 3. Just open it up. 1 plus root 3 the numerator part upon the denominator 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 3. 3 cancel out. This will be 1 plus root 2 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2, right? Multiplying. Okay, this is the first way we are able to do this, right? But the question is not over because under root 2 is coming in the denominator part. So again we have to rationalize. So if I'll multiply root 2 with numerator and denominator, so I'm getting root 2 multiply the numerator part, it will be root 2 plus 2 minus root 6. Whole thing divided by root 2 into root 2 will be 2 and 2 that will be 4. So we are getting 1 by 4 root 2 plus 1 by 2 minus root 6 by 4. Is it okay to everyone? Right? So in this case, 5 and 5 will be cancelled out. This is coming as root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 upon 2 root 10. So multiply with root 10 or divide with root 10. I'm getting root 20 plus root 30 minus root 50 upon 2 into 10 will root 10 square will be 20. Or we can write this as root 20 will be 4 into 5, so 2 root 5 plus root 30 minus this will be 5 root 2, whole thing divided by 20, distributing this 20 everywhere. So
Sir,
you
it
can
is
write.
2 root 6 because it is root 3, not 5.
Yes, 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 yes. Sorry, there would be a calculation, right? So in this calculation, this will be 6. So there would be a 6. There would be a 6. There would be some change in numbers. Very good. Right? So accordingly, we have to multiply with the numbers what we required in this. So this is root 6, right? Coming and multiplying with root 6. So this is coming as root 12 plus root 18 minus root 30 upon 2 into 6, 12. So again, look into this one. Root 12 is 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 minus root 30 upon 12 upon 12 upon 12. Or we can again cancel out. So very good. Thank you. Right? So like in the double rationalization or rationalization, you have to solve the question, and if you are going through that, then easily you can say this here, what would be the numbers and all. Is it okay, everyone? Right? One more, the last one. 1 by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 7. Bit difference in this, थोड़ी सी difference आ जाएगी. Just you have to see what is the difference, right? Take your time, then we'll solve. What I mean to say, see, if I'll multiply this or rationalize this with this number, so this is coming as the numerator is root 2 plus root 3 minus root, be careful ना, ये change हो जाएगा यहाँ से. The square will be 5 plus 2 root 6 minus 7. So now this is coming as root 2 plus root 3 minus root 7 upon 2 root 6 minus 2. Now the conjugate will be different, not coming as the simple number, right? We can take 2 common from this. So it is coming as root 2 plus root 3 minus root 7 twice of root 6 minus 1. So I have to multiply this with root 6 plus 1 and again in the numerator and denominator. Root 2 plus root 3 minus root 7 into root 6 plus 1 upon 2 into 6 minus 1 will be 5. And 1 by 1 you have to multiply root 12 plus root 18 minus 42 plus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 7 upon 10. Or you can say this as root 12 is 2 root 3 plus 3 is 3 root 3. Root 18 is 3 root 2 plus this is 4 root 2 minus root 42 minus root 7 and whole thing divided by 1 by 10. Is it okay? So maybe कभी कभार मुझे नंबर्स ऐसा मिल जाए जिसमें रैशनलाइजेशन बहुत सिंपल हो जाए, कभी कभार वो नंबर ऐसा मिल जाए जिसमें रैशनलाइजेशन थोड़ा टफ चला जाए, but both the way we can solve the question.